walking through an area where there is an abandoned house, and there are many houses like these in Ireland. Many houses abandoned. And you can see the plants and the trees growing through the building. Once upon a time, there was a family that lived there, and there was life and love and activity. And now, no one. Many people have left Ireland and gone to other places to live. And these little houses are left abandoned. Beautiful properties, big land, big farms, and abandoned homes. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. It is greatly appreciated. Thank you.